Hey everyone. Today we're going to talk about the ternary conditional operator, or ternary operator. What is the ternary operator? Well, let's take a look.
Have you ever had a simple if-else block that took about 5 lines of code, but you feel you could be able to do that in shorter? You know, something that looks like this. First, we'll start off with the constant, let age equal 21. And then we'll have a variable message that starts off as an empty string. And then we get into the 5 lines of our if-else. If age is greater than or equal to 21, message is going to be, you're old enough to drink. Otherwise, if it's false, message is, you're underage. I hear root beer is good. So let's go ahead and print that into the console and run this code. And you'll see because age is 21, that's greater than or equal to 21. So the message is you're old enough to drink. But that took 5 lines of code to do that. We can do that in 1. First, let's comment out that if-else block. Now the way the ternary operator works, we're first going to ask a question, what? And then a question mark. And then we'll have the true, followed by colon, and then a false. So how that looks is, let's ask that same Boolean question as we did before. Is age greater than or equal to 21, followed by the question mark. And if that's true, we'll have the true string, followed by colon. And then if it's false, we'll have the false string. So we have age is greater than or equal to 21, and that's the question if it's true. And then we have a colon, and if it's false. Let's go ahead and make message equal to this. So now if we run our code again, we'll see we get the same message in the console. Now let's go ahead and change age. You're all of a sudden 2 years younger, so you're 19. Let's run the code again. And now because 19 is not greater than or equal to 21, this evaluates to false, and you'll see that message is printed.
So that was easy. Now it's your part. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Go ahead. I'll wait. I'm not even looking at anything.